This is the KDP AI Cracked review and bonus. Now, inside here, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the sales page. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 2 bonuses that I'll be offering depending on what you get. We'll also take a behind-the-scenes look at the actual course that you're going to get. We'll show you the OTOs and the upsales, and we're also going to give you our honest opinion on what we think. I've gone through this entire course. As you probably know, we do a lot of self-publishing. We've got a couple of courses on self-publishing ourselves, so I'm going to go ahead and dive in and show you exactly what you get here inside of KDP AI Cracked. This is a course by Demetrius Papadopoulos. They also call him D Papa, and he has actually come out with quite a few trainings and courses previously. He is a top vendor. He usually comes out with quality content. So here is the sales page. It does have a little bit of a demo video of what you're going to go ahead and get. Some of the books that he went ahead and published from scratch, never publishing before. And so he takes you along the steps of what he did to be able to generate these commissions and the royalties on Amazon KDP Publishing. And so you see here it's some of the screenshots as he started from the beginning to continuing on. I think by the end of the case study, he made like $72 within a week or two, which is pretty cool. And so it tells about Demetrius here and who he is, what he's been doing in the past. And you can see the book that he published and he had printed. Shows you the basics of what the course is going to be in the back end, the different modules that are going to be there, and when it starts. Now, it is going to be $27 for the early bird launch price. Now, when that timer goes down, it is going to pretty much double in price to $47. So if this is a course that you want to go ahead and take advantage of, you want to get it during the early bird launch price. If not, you're going to pay a lot more. It's going to be launching tomorrow. So you have time to go ahead and do your research before you jump in. Now, let's go ahead and look at the bonuses that you'll get if you decide to buy it through me. There's going to be 2 bonus options here. So if you decide to purchase through me, you'll be able to get access to my course, AI Instant Book Publishing. Now, this is a course that I sell for $99, and you will be able to get the upgrade inside that course as well included. And this is if you buy the front end through me. So if you just buy the front end, that's all you want to get. You're going to get my AI Instant Book Publishing course, which shows you how to make 10-chapter books in 2 minutes. Also, how to make things a lot closer to the prompts that you want to go ahead and create those books, as well as to be able to put in your prompt and let it continue while it creates that book. And you have to do no intervention or nothing else to be able to do that, as opposed to in the course how we teach you going step by step. We're going to show you exactly how to do your research and get your book written quickly and easily in 2 minutes without having to do anything else. And if you decide to get the upgrade, now let me show you, there is 2 upgrade options that you can do, but we have our $199 course, Road to Bestseller. This actually shows you how to be able to become a bestseller on Amazon KDP, and then how to make money 15 different other ways, and how to be able to publish and get royalties on 64 other platforms. And so you actually get 64 additional streams of income for that one book that you publish. You'll be able to get this if you go through one of the OTOs. So let me go ahead and show you what you can do. You will get for the front end my AI book publishing, instant book publishing. And if you do the 2 upgrades I'm going to tell you about, you can do Road to Bestseller. So the front end, like I said, is going to have an early bird launch price at $7. Now, I'll have all this information on my blog post. There'll be a link below that will have my bonuses as well as the OTOs and everything about the course. You can click that in the link below in the description. It'll say blog post. So the front end is going to start off at $27 and then go to $47. Now, they have an OTO one, which is KDP AI Done For You Suite. That's $37. Now, you can go ahead and check all these OTOs and everything that it comes with in the description below. If they also have OTO 2, KDP AI Done For You Suite Lite. That's $27. Then they have OTO 3, KDP AI Limitless Traffic. Now, this is one of your options. If you get this option here, you'll be able to go ahead and do it. So if you do the $197 yearly limitless traffic, then you will be able to get my course, Road to Bestseller, the $199 course. You'll be able to get that if you do the $197 a year OTO 3. But look here, there's a second way that you can actually get everything as well. So you can actually get, if you skip OTO 1, skip OTO 2, skip OTO 3, and they also have something called OTO 4, KDP AI Authors Elite Circle. That's $97. But if you skip OTO 4, you'll actually come to OTO 5, which is the KDP AI Fast Pass VIP bundle. So that's $247. So if you pick this up, you will also get my Road to Bestseller $199 course for free. So if you either pick up this or the yearly of the limitless traffic, then you will get that. But watch here. So you will actually get all the previous OTOs for this $247. You will get OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4. And so you'll get the KDP Done For You Suite, Limitless Traffic, and the Authors Elite Circle. Now, let me tell you this. You will get the Limitless Traffic for 1 year because they charge $197 for the year. So you will get the Limitless Traffic for 1 year and then everything else for lifetime at the $247. So you actually save $120. If you just buy this package here, you'll save $120 on buying the rest of the OTOs. So if you buy OTO 5, or if you buy the yearly on OTO 3 by itself, you will get my Road to Bestseller $199 course included. So if you skip all of those and you go to the VIP pass, this is going to be OTO 5. It's going to look like this, exclusive discount deal, and you'll be able to get to the end and it shows you everything that you get. But remember, you're going to get 12 months of traffic boost, because remember, you have to pay for that yearly. So you'll get 12 months for free and then all the other OTOs included. And you can go ahead and take a look at this. I will go ahead and have this outlined on my blog as well. So inside the course, this is what it's going to look like when you get the front end. It's going to say, welcome to KDP AI Cracked. And so we've got the welcome video. We've got the strategy and the process explained, getting started with Amazon KDP, choosing a profitable with AI. Now, the great thing is, if you get my front end bonus, this one here, he shows you how to methodically go through and see how to be able to create a niche. But I'm actually going to show you a way, it's a paid way, but it's a lifetime deal if you want to do it, to be able to find books that are actually creating sales every single month, and you'll be able to see if it's making $10 a month or $30,000 a month. So you'll be able to really find those winners and be able to copy success. So that is in my front end bonus course. So right here, he shows you that. Also, KDP, creating your KDP product with AI. And remember, my front end course shows you how to instantly make 10 chapter books in 2 minutes without having to do the methodical step-by-step that he showed you. Also, he's going to show you driving traffic to your books, which was a pretty interesting module. He's going to say done for you prompt, templates, and guides. And so he's going to have that. He's also going to have scaling your KDP business, which is really important. Once you find a winner of one of your books that is selling and getting conversions and reviews, this is a really good module to use. And then the conclusion and the upgrades that you can get, plus his proof of results. Now remember, he has never done any publishing before. He started with a fresh account, and it was a couple of weeks where he made these commissions and royalties inside of his KDP account, which is pretty cool. I always love to see generated results. So that is my review of KDP AI Cracked. And if you want to go ahead and pick up my bonuses, make sure you click the link below. The first link below in this video will give you the ability to go ahead and grab my first front end bonus. And then if you either pick up OTO number 3, KDP AI Limitless Traffic yearly, or if you skip everything and pick up OTO 5 KDP AI Fast Pass VIP bundle, you will be able to get my Road to Bestseller course, $199 course, absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate your support. If you liked this content, if it was informative, smack that thumbs up. It really helps. And if you picked up the course or you liked the video, leave a comment below. It really helps with the algorithm, and we read every single comment. We'll see you next time here on the Passive Cash Stacker. Please click the like button if you like bonuses or bunnies. Leave a comment if this was helpful. Subscribe like great problem-solving content and informative product reviews.